Floods. Floods occur when an area becomes inundated with water, often due to heavy rainfall, overflowing rivers, rapid snowmelt, or the breach of dams or levees. This excess water spills onto normally dry land, causing widespread flooding that can submerge homes, infrastructure, and agricultural fields. Floods can occur suddenly, with flash floods swiftly engulfing areas, or they can develop gradually over time. They pose significant risks to human lives, causing damage to property, disrupting transportation, contaminating water sources, and leading to long-term economic and environmental consequences. Effective early warning systems, proper land use planning, and resilient infrastructure are critical in minimizing the devastating impact of floods on communities and reducing the associated risks. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma, gases, and volcanic ash are expelled from a volcano's vent or fissure due to pressure buildup beneath the Earth's surface. These eruptions can vary in intensity, from relatively gentle outflows of lava to explosive events ejecting ash, rocks, and gases into the atmosphere. The forceful release of molten rock and gases can lead to the formation of pyroclastic flows, ash clouds, lava flows, and volcanic bombs. Depending on the eruption's scale, volcanic events can have far-reaching effects, impacting local environments, climate patterns, air travel, and even global temperatures. Monitoring volcanic activity and implementing safety measures are crucial for protecting nearby populations and mitigating the potential hazards associated with volcanic eruptions. Earthquakes. Earthquakes are sudden, intense tremors in the Earth's crust caused by the release of energy along fault lines or tectonic plate boundaries. This seismic activity generates powerful shock waves that propagate through the ground, leading to shaking and sometimes causing immense destruction. Earthquakes vary in magnitude and can range from imperceptible tremors to catastrophic events capable of toppling buildings, triggering landslides, and even generating tsunamis in coastal regions. Monitoring seismic activity and implementing safety measures are crucial to mitigate the impact of earthquakes on communities and infrastructure in vulnerable areas prone to these natural disasters. Droughts. Droughts are prolonged periods of unusually low precipitation that led to water scarcity in affected regions. They occur when an area experiences significantly less rainfall than expected over an extended period, causing a shortage of water resources. Droughts can have severe impacts on agriculture, water supplies, ecosystems, and economies. They result in crop failures, reduced water levels in reservoirs and rivers, and can lead to food and water shortages, as well as economic hardships for communities reliant on agriculture or affected industries. Effective water conservation, sustainable land management, and drought-resistant crop practices are essential in mitigating the impact of droughts and ensuring resilience in regions prone to water scarcity. Wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrolled and rapidly spreading fires that consume vegetation and can encompass large areas of land. Often ignited by natural causes like lightning strikes or human activities such as campfires or discarded cigarettes. These fires spread swiftly due to dry conditions, high winds, and the abundance of flammable material. They pose significant threats to ecosystems, wildlife, homes, and human lives. The intense heat and fast-moving flames make wildfires challenging to contain, requiring the efforts of firefighters, specialized equipment, and sometimes aerial support to bring them under control. Effective prevention strategies, including fire-safe practices and land management, are crucial for reducing the occurrence and impact of wildfires in fire-prone regions. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are powerful and rapidly rotating columns of air extending from thunderstorms to the ground. These violent windstorms often appear as dark, funnel-shaped cloud, and they can vary in size and intensity. Tornadoes form when warm, moist air clashes with cool, dry air, creating instability in the atmosphere. They can cause extensive damage in their path, with winds that can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. Tornadoes can demolish buildings, uproot trees, and devastate entire communities within minutes, making preparedness and timely warnings essential for minimizing their impact on affected areas. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are a powerful and destructive series of ocean waves triggered by underwater disturbances, such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides occurring beneath or near the ocean. These massive waves can travel across entire ocean basins at high speeds, reaching coastal areas with devastating force. While they may appear as a single large wave, tsunamis are actually a series of waves that can inundate coastal regions, causing widespread flooding, destruction of infrastructure, and loss of life. Early warning systems, coastal planning, and education about evacuation procedures are crucial in reducing the impact of tsunamis on vulnerable coastal communities and ensuring preparedness for these natural disasters.